Good morning, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Okay, now last class I had started with new chapter, that is chapter number 8. Okay, lesson 8, which is that lesson? Recreation. Recreation. I hope all of you have studied the hard words I have given in the last class. Few hard words I had mentioned. I hope you all have studied. And I had finished half of the chapter, and remaining half I told I'll be taking up in the next class. So today let us continue with the remaining half and the exercises. Before that, I want you all to open the textbook, and once again I'll go back and I'll revise from the beginning, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, now what is recreation? Recreation means what activity you do in your leisure time. For that activity, that spending of that time is known as recreation. You feel happiness for your enjoyment of your mind, on the enjoyment of that particular moment, what you do to feel your mind free and fresh. For that, they tell us recreation. Now, when you go to school, you'll be learning so many new things, everything, and going to school, coming back home, this will be your everyday routine. Your father, mother, they go to work, they come in the evening. So your sister, brother, anybody, they go to college, they come back. The whole day, these things will be going on, and every day you're going to do the same thing. And this is called routine, what you do every day. And full week you'll be going, coming, studying. So your mind and body needs some rest. So what you do in your leisure time, that is especially on Sundays, everybody will be free. There will be no class. So you feel to take some time on Sundays and spend some time with your family, going out or something. What you feel happy to do in that free time is known as recreation. Now, everybody needs rest. So, all of them, they go for picnic, or they go for trip somewhere else, or they go for some classes. Like this, it goes on. There are so many types of recreation where it makes your mind feel happy, fresh, refreshes your mind. It's not that a free time means you have to sit and play or simply watch TV. No, there are some activities apart from your daily routine, what you do. Apart from that, to do something else, other activities, curricular activities, where your mind feels free, fresh, everything. So there are so many activities, and when you do that, you feel fresh. So for that, spending time is known as recreation. So indoor activities, as I told you last class, there are so many indoor activities like dancing, music, then painting, drawing, and they play Ludo, chess, carom, everything. All these are indoor activities, and you can watch TV also. It's a form of recreation. You all family members can sit and watch some movie or some cartoon, funny videos, all these things for some time, where you will be out of your mind from daily work, and which makes your mind feel free. So that is called recreation. Along with that, some of them, they go for outdoor activities also, that is outdoor games. They go on for skating and football, throw ball, volleyball, bicycling, cycling. You go, no, all friends together, they'll make one group, they form one group and they go on cycling, like a race and all, they go, all these things they do. And along with that, they play seesaw, swing. So all these are outdoor activities. So both indoor as well as outdoor, both activities, when you do, you feel your mind fresh. Okay, and you will come out of stress, especially your parents. For every day they'll be working, they'll be having so much of stress and pressure. So they want to come out of this, they need some free time. So for that free time, what you do activities, it's called recreation. Okay, children, now till here I had finished. Now once I'll read till where I had finished first half. Second half I'll continue, I'll explain it to you, and then we'll do the exercises. Okay. Now recreation, open the book, page number 202. Okay. Page number 202. We go to school to learn new things. Our parents go out to work. Everyone has a daily routine. So everyone, they'll have their daily routine, morning till evening. They go out to work or study in the morning and return in the evening. After a day's hard work or study, we need rest. We also like to have fun with our family and friends. What we do in our free time to enjoy is called recreation. Okay, in free time, what you do to feel your mind fresh, enjoyment, to have that happiness is known as recreation. We do many things to relax and feel fresh. Some children like to play indoors. They like to read, draw, paint, sing, and dance. Children also like to play indoor games like Ludo, chess, and caroms. So there are so many indoor activities. Watching TV is also a form of recreation. It's a form of recreation, not sit and watch whole day in same place. No, for some time you have to watch TV, entertainment, feel your mind fresh. That's it. Okay. Some children like to play outdoors. They like to play cricket and football. They like to ride a bicycle, play on a swing or a seesaw. Outdoor games keep us fit and healthy. Of course, outdoor games, they keep us fit and healthy because you'll be running, jumping, doing cycling means it will be an exercise. So all this makes your body fit and healthy. Till here I had stopped. Now let us go further. You can see the pictures also, children playing outside, going to picnics and parties with our families and friends, or just spending time with them, or some other ways of recreation. So which are other ways? First, recreation is indoor games. Okay. Indoor games. Again, one more is outdoor games. And apart from this, what else is the form of recreation? One more is going for picnic, parties, spending time in parties with friends, or just spending time with them, or some other ways of recreation, or just spending time, just chatting with them, sitting in some park or someone's house, somewhere outside, and having a chat with all your friends. Chat means not eating chat, talking, speaking with them. That is also a form of recreation. So outdoor games and indoor games were two forms. Apart from that, going to a picnic, family members or friends, and going for parties, going for some birthday parties or any just a time out parties. So all these are the forms of recreation. Celebrating weddings, birthday parties, and festivals are some happy occasions. So even celebrating weddings means marriages, and birthday parties, you go for your friends' birthday parties or any your cousins, relatives parties. There you'll have nice fun, no sitting and reading nothing. Just talk with them, enjoy, have food, everything you'll be doing. Then your mind will be so fresh, you'll be so happy, because no need to read and write or do any work. Nicely you all will enjoy and come. So going for birthday parties and festivals, even during festivals, what you do? You do puja, everything, go to your relatives' house, your cousins, meeting your cousins, any other relations or friends. So you'll be enjoying, you will be out from your studies, everything from your daily routine work, you will be out of that and your mind will be free. Or these some of the happy occasions. We wear new clothes, invite friends and relatives, distribute sweets and gifts, and spend time together with friends and relatives during celebrations. So as I told you now, what you do, you invite your friends, you invite your relatives, and you go distribute sweets for them, okay? And you'll be giving gifts for birthdays means you'll be giving gifts, And if your birthday, you are calling them, they'll be giving gifts, you will be having sweets and nice, delicious foods, everything with them. And along with that, you'll be spending more time with them, with your relatives and friends. And what you do is you feel so happy for at least one day, or on that day, you'll be full of free mind, freshness. Recreation refreshes us. So what happens? Recreation, doing all these activities, we'll be doing all these activities, one of the other day, one day, one activity, like this Sunday, like this means next Sunday you'll be planning something, or monthly ones, or any celebrations, festivals, all this. So by doing all this recreation, you feel so happy. It recreates your mind. It gives freshness for your mind. We feel fresh and relaxed. So you'll feel fresh and you'll be